students. Hope you are all fine. So today we are going to discuss about the next topic in optics, that is lenses. Okay. So what is meant by a lens? Okay. So a lens is nothing but, you might have heard about this lens, right? You'll be using lenses in your specs. So many lenses you may have here. Okay. We are going to clearly study about all these things in this topic. Okay. So what is meant by this lens? The lens is nothing but, it is a transparent medium. Transparent medium means what? The light can passes through that medium. Okay, it is a transparent medium bounded by two spherical refracting surfaces. There will be two surfaces. ரெண்டு side இருக்கும் அதுக்கு. There will be two surfaces and both the surfaces are refractive. Okay, or one plane and one spherical. Either one plane, both the surfaces will be refractive. When the light passes, both surfaces will refract it. Okay, and that two surfaces, one surface may be a plane surface and one may be a spherical surface, or both may be a spherical surface. Okay, so that is what it is called as lens. Okay, what is meant by lens? It is a transparent medium. It is bounded by two surfaces. Both surfaces can be spherical, or one may be plane and the other may be spherical. Okay, basically the lenses are of two types. Basically the lenses are of two types. So the first lens, the first one, it is convex lens, and the other one is concave lens. These are the two basic methods of lenses. Okay, convex and concave lens. So what is meant by, first let us see about this convex lens. What is meant by this convex lens? Okay, so this lens is also a lens which is bounded of two spherical surfaces. Okay, it is a lens which is bounded of two spherical surfaces such that one surface, that is, it is thicker at the middle. Okay, at the middle இப்படி இருக்கு அப்படினு வெச்சுக்கோங்க, இப்படி இருக்குன்னு வெச்சுக்கோங்க, it will be thicker at the middle than at the edges. Okay, edges it will be thinner than at the middle. Okay, so here what is thicker? It is thicker at the middle. Okay, convex lens means it is thicker at the middle. Okay, and than the edges. Okay, edge விட middle ல பாத்தீங்கன்னா it will be thicker. Okay, so this is the symbol concave, convex lens. Okay, this is symbol convex lens. Okay, so this one, it is convex lens. Okay, it will be thicker at the middle and thinner at the edges. Okay, so this lens is called as convex lens. This lens is called as biconvex lens. Okay, this is called as biconvex lens. Okay, so what is the difference between these two lenses? When you see this lens, the curvature, when you see this curvature, this side the curvature is large than this side. இதோட curvature பாத்தீங்கன்னா curve கொஞ்சம் large இருக்கும் இத compare பண்ணும்போது. But practically this lens is not in use. Okay, we are not using this practically. This type of lenses we are not using practically. So we will be using this lenses, that is biconvex lens. Both the surfaces are having the same curvature. So this type of lenses we will be using practically. The next one is plano-convex lens. Plano-convex lens means the biconvex lens, one surface will be plane surface like this. Okay, one will be plane, the other will be spherical. Okay, such type of convex lens is called as plano-convex lens. Understood? So this convex lens can also be called as converging lens. Why we are calling it as converging lens? Because when we pass a beam of light through this lens, what happens means all the light gets refracted and converge at a point. Okay, when we pass some beam of light through this lens, all the light gets refracted. Okay, it will pass here and get refracted and they will converge at a particular point. Okay, so குவியும், ஒரு இடத்துல வந்து குவியும். Okay, converge. So that lens is called as convergence lens. So that we are calling it as, the other name of convex lens is converging lens. Okay, clear? So this is about the convex lens. Okay, what is convex lens? It is this, it is bounded by two spherical surface. Okay, it is bounded by two spherical surface. At the middle it is thicker than at the edges. Okay, there are so many types: convex lens, biconvex lens, plano-convex lens. Convex lens means this is a simple convex and two surfaces will be there, but the curvature is less, okay, compared to the other side. Biconvex lens means both the surfaces are having the same type of curvature. Plano-convex means one surface is plane and the other surface is spherical. Okay, it is also called as converging lens because when a beam of light passes through this lens, all the lights are gets refracted and it will converge at a particular point. So this is called as converging lens. The next type of lens is concave lens. Okay, what is meant by this concave lens? This concave lens is also bounded by two surfaces. Okay, it will be like this, two surfaces. At the middle it will be thin. Okay, in the middle it will be thin, but at the edges it will be thick. Okay, it is thinner at the center. At the center it will be very thin, but at the edges it will be thicker than the center. Okay. Such a type of lens is called as concave lens. The other name is diverging lens. Okay, the other name is diverging lens. Okay, there are many types of concave lens. This is one type of concave lens. So this type of concave lens, when you see, the curvature is small when compared to this side. Okay, one of the curvature is very small when compared to the other side. So this type of concave lenses are not used in practice nowadays. Okay. The next one is biconcave lens. So this biconcave lens is used practically. Okay, we will be using this concave lens in so many purposes. Okay, so this surfaces, both the surfaces will be having same center of curvature. Okay, center of curvature will be same. Okay, so such a type of lenses are called as biconcave lens. The next one is plano-convex lens. In this, one surface will be plane and the other surface will be thinner at the edge. Okay, so one surface, ரெண்டு surfaceல பார்க்கும்போது ஒன்னு plane-ஆ இருக்கும். Such a surface is called as lens is called as plano-concave lens. Okay, so this type of lens is used for the research purposes. For in laboratory purposes, they will be using this type of lens, but practically we will be not using this type of lens. This is commonly used type of lens, that is biconcave lens. Okay, so these are the types of lenses. Now let us see about the some, that is how to find out how the image will be when we pass the light through these lenses. Okay, now let us discuss about the image formed due to the refraction through the convex and concave lens. When we pass a light through these lenses, what happens? Okay, so in order to study that, we have to know some rules. Three basic rules are there. Okay, to study the ray optics, these rules are very important. Some of the students, you will try to by heart it. Please don't by heart it. Please understand it in study, so that you can able to easily understand how the image is formed, how the size of the image will be, what is the nature of the image. Everything we can understand if we know the rules. Okay, so please concentrate and study. So let us see the rule one by one. So rule 1. So this is the convex lens and this is the concave lens. Okay, I am passing a light ray through the, before that I will explain some certain terms. So if this is a lens, okay, this is a lens, this is called as the optical center. Center of the lens is called as optical center. Okay, so this is called as principal axis. Okay, this is called as principal axis, main axis. Okay, these are the focal point. Kuvi only and light kuvi radar, focal point. Okay, so when we extend this as a circle, we will get this radius here. Okay, so if it is here, we will get the radius here. So this is called as the center of curvature. Okay, keep all these factors in mind. So these are the very important terms here. So first rule, let us see the first rule. If the light ray passes through the optical center of the lens, the light will refract, continue to flow in the same path. புரியுதா? அந்த light வந்து optical centerல போய் பட்டு refract ஆச்சு அப்படினா, the refraction will continue in the same path. If the light hits or strikes the optical center of the convex lens, it will continue to follow the same path. That is the first rule. Okay, what is the first rule? If the light ray strikes the convex lens at the center, that is of the optical center, it will follow the same path. எந்த வழியா வந்ததோ அதே வழியில அது போகும். That is the first rule. Okay, this is in case of convex lens. Okay, when we come to concave lens, the same thing. Okay, here also if the light ray, okay, incident light he strikes the concave lens at the center. Okay, at this sorry, the center means optical center. It will follow the same path. It will continue to go in the same path. எந்த வழியில வந்து அதே pathல அது போகும். That is the first rule. Okay. Then the next rule, rule 2, when the light ray strikes the convex lens which is parallel to the principal axis. இதுதான் உன்னோட principal axis. Okay. என்னோட வரக்கூடிய light rays, it is அது எதுக்கு parallel இருக்கு? இந்த principal axis க்கு வரக்கூடிய light rays parallel இருந்துச்சுனா என்ன நடக்கும்? That is the second rule. Okay. If the incident ray is parallel to the principal axis and it strikes the convex lens, what happens? The ray will converge at the point, at the focal point. Okay, the ray will converge at the focal point. Okay, the ray will converge, the refracted ray will converge at the focal point. This is the very important point here, converge at the focus. Okay, at the focus. Okay, so when the incident light is parallel to the principal axis, if it strikes the convex lens, it will refract it and converge at the focus point. This is in case of convex lens. Okay, in case of concave lens, here also the light is parallel to the principal axis, but what happens is it is appear to be diverged. Okay, diverged means vali velagi pogudu. Okay, it is appear to spread out. Okay, it appear to spread out from the lens. Refract agi pora light eppadi irukku? It is spreading out. It is getting diverged. But when we extend the point, and the point அப்படியே straight extend பண்ணி எடுத்தோம்னா அது அதோட ஃபோக்கல்ல தான் வந்து இருக்கும். Anyway, it gets diverged. Okay, so this is called, it is diverged. Okay, it will get diverged. So that we are calling this lens as converging lens and this lens is diverging lens. Clear? Then the rule 3. Okay, the rule 3. When the incident ray, okay, this is the incident ray, when the beam of light, okay, when a ray of light, it hits the, or when the ray of light is passing through the focus, okay, if it passes through the forces, after getting refracted, it will be parallel to the principal axis. Okay, and the light when the principal focus valiya vanduchu appadina enna agum refraction ku apparama it will be parallel to the principal axis. It is in case of convex lens. Okay, in case of convex lens, if the light is incident, okay, appear to incident towards the focus. Okay, focus valiya varudhu. Okay, adha focus point ku neera varudhu, and edathila reach agala appadinalo it is coming towards this focus. What happens? After getting refracted, it will be parallel to the principal axis. Okay, this is rule number 3. So what is rule number 1? Rule number 1 is if the light is passing through the center of the lens, center valiya pochina adhe pathla poidum. That is first rule. What is the second rule? If the light is, incident light is parallel to the principal axis, what happens? It will be converged at the focus. Okay, or it will be diverged, but when we extend it, it will appear to converge. Okay, so parallel போச்சுனா focusல converge ஆகும், focus வழியா போச்சுனா parallel போகும். That's all. Focus வழியா வந்துச்சுனா parallel போகும். These are the 3 important rules. This is a very important 5-mark question also. So please try to understand it and study. Okay, thank you for watching.